In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to select Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on AutoFill with Google here. Now choose Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wanna get rid of and enter your screen lock. Then tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!